Just landed on this beach and right off the bat, I picked that up. Amber. Nice lake. There's lake. Yeah, Flint Cobble. There's a Flint Cobble right there. Good quality stuff. Oh shit, dude! No way! No way! This is just a... Hold on. I saw that first. Dude. This is a random beach. Not even in an area that I know to be native. I just said, you know, that looks like a good wash. Looks like something Rox Cousteau would tell me to go look at. That would be something he'd be on if he was out in his boat. So I came over and let's plug it together. I shit you not, man. I shit you not. I would never shit you. If I was gonna shit you, it wouldn't be broke. I don't care. Holy shit, first day. Surface hunting, the edge. That's a good sign, dude. I'm telling you right now. Holy shit. Holy shit. What the hell is that? I already picked that up, but I didn't see that side of it. Look at that flint there. See, here's the thing. Nobody, and I mean nobody, hunts this. Any of this. Probably never will, even if I give up the location. I'll get some stills of that. Yeah. I haven't moved yet. I wiped that off better. I had it nice and shiny. I got dirt on it again. The reason I turned it back on is I haven't left yet. I walked around. I called my wife. I've been walking around. Can you see it? Do you see it? This is a good spot right here, boys. Boys, this is a very, and girls, good spot. I may have found myself a new... I plucked that. I didn't know what to think of that. That's got like concrete on it and flint. I may have found myself a new pottery spot. Let's go wash this off. It's black. That's a beautiful piece of pottery. Yo, 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 yo. What the fuck is that? Oh, I thought that was something. A lot of people would be like, oh, that is something. What is that? This rock has, or this river has so many weird looking rocks in it. It's not even funny. I had to wash this So happy with that. So happy to find a spot that has pottery other than the one I lost to hay. Because literally 99% of the pottery sherds that I've plucked have come from one field, and I don't have that field to walk anymore because it went to hay, like I said. So in order to pluck pottery regularly, I was saying I had to find a new spot. Well, that's certainly a good sign that it may be the new spot. There's probably something else staring me in the face right here. This is just blowing me away how productive that it seems that this is going to be. And like Rocks does the shit in the wintertime, so hey. I like service hunting. I don't like sifting. I don't mind labor. I'm not lazy, and I'm definitely not a pussy. I'll throw down on some glass. I love digging into dumps. It's fun. Perpetual scratch off. But the surface hunting, even though my eyes aren't great, close up styrofoam. At 3-4 feet, they're pretty damn good. I really enjoy it. It's a bitch on the lower back for me anyway, but it's worth it. Alright, let me get some stills. I've been rambling for a good long while. Just, like you said, just got here. This is just a random spot. This is amazing. I didn't get that sifter. Get that sifter out for sure. Holy shit, there's got to be a lot of material in here for this just to be sitting on the surface. Once we start digging down in this, that's a big chunk of flint. Or is that the piece I picked up before? I threw it back down. I don't know. There's a flake. There's a cobble. 2 cobbles. Leaf. Chunk. Just a weird piece of flint. I know I've already picked that up. Alright, we're gonna go to the next spot. I gotta mark this so I can come back here.